Hello everyone, this is Mandeep Singh. I am attending Faculty Development Program organized by Punjab University Chandigarh. This is my demo lecture on the topic Abstract Algebra. In this lecture, we will study some basic definitions and the research work going on some topics of algebra. So the first definition is of group. Let G be a non-empty set and let star be a binary composition on G, then the algebraic structure G, star is called a group if the following axioms are satisfied. The first one is associative law, that is A star B star C should be same as A star B star C whenever A, B and C they are elements of G. The second property is existence of identity. For all A belonging to G, there must exist some E belonging to G such that A star E is same as A, which is same as E star A. For all A belonging to G, there exists some B belonging to G such that A star B is identity is B star A. Here B is called the inverse of A. Next is a definition of abelian group. A group G is called an abelian group if any two elements of the group commutes. That is A star B, it should be same as B star A whenever A and B they are elements of G. So let G be a finite group. We denote by G dash, ZG, phi Z and odd G respectively the commutator subgroup, the center, the Fretney subgroup and the automorphism group of G. For A belonging to G, an automorphism Fa from G to G defined by Fa of x is equal to A inverse Xa for every element x of G is called an inner automorphism. The group of all inner automorphisms of a group G is denoted by in G. It is well known that in G is isomorphic to G by ZG. An automorphism alpha of G is called a central automorphism if x inverse alpha x belongs to center of G for every element x of G. The group of all central automorphisms of G is denoted by odd ZG. We denote by odd ZZG the group of all central automorphisms of G fixing the center ZG of G element wise. An automorphism alpha of G is called class preserving if alpha of G belongs to conjugacy class of G. The set of all class preserving automorphisms of G is denoted by odd CG. We denote with odd phi G the group of all automorphisms alpha of G such that x inverse alpha x belongs to phi G for all x in G. An automorphism alpha of G is called an IA automorphism if x inverse alpha x belongs to the commutator subgroup of G for every x in G. By IAG and IA star G, we denote the group of all IA automorphisms and IA automorphisms of G fixing the center element wise. The absolute center LG of G is denoted and defined by those elements of the group which are kept fixed under every automorphism. Clearly, LG is a subgroup of ZG. An automorphism alpha of G is called an absolute central automorphism if G inverse alpha G belongs to LG for all G belongs to G. The group of all absolute central automorphisms of G is denoted by where G. Clearly, where G is a normal subgroup of odd G which is contained in odd ZG. The following problem has been well studied in the literature, that what are the necessary and sufficient conditions on a group G such that certain subgroups of odd G are equal. This problem has been settled for the following equalities. Number 1, odd cent G equal to in G. Number 2, odd ZG equal to Z in G. Number 3, odd ZZG equal to in G. Number 4, odd CG equal to odd ZG. Number 5, odd CG equal to in G. Number 6, where G equal to in G. Number 7, IAG equal to odd CG. Number 8, IAG equal to odd ZG and IA star G equal to in G. An automorphism alpha of G is called a commuting automorphism if every element of the group commutes with its image under alpha. The set of all commuting automorphisms of G is denoted by AG. These automorphisms were first studied for various classes of rings. A group G is called an AG group if the set AG forms a subgroup of odd G. Now I would like to mention here that why I have write down the title work in progress, because recently the research on this topic is under progress. The various classes of P groups G, for which G being an AG group, have been settled as follow. Number 1, if G is a group of order less than or equal to P raised to power 4. Number 2, if G has a cyclic maximal subgroup, or G is of co-class 2 where P is an odd prime. Now here co-class means a group G is said to be of co-class C if it is of class n minus C, where n is the power of P raised to power, which is nothing but order of G. Thank you so much.